square problem on LeetCode. In this, we have to calculate the root without using the power function and in log n time. So we will have to use binary search. So before writing the code, let's understand the approach. Here x is given and a root is 2. So we will make a range up from 1 to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So mark 1 as I, mark 4 as j. So let's calculate the mid. Mid is I plus j by 2, which is this. So mid square means 4 square is equals to x. So we will return mid means 2. So move on to the next problem. X equals to 8. As we know, the root of x is 2 point something, means 2 is our answer. So make a range up to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Mark it as I and j. So mid, calculate the mid. So mid will be 4. So mid square means 4 square is 16. 16 is greater than 8. As 16 is greater than 8, so we will make j is equals to mid minus 1. So j will come up to here. So again we will calculate the mid. Mid is this. So mid square means is 4. 4 is less than x. So we will make I is equals to mid plus 1. I will go up to here. So I and j has same value. So again we will calculate the mid. Mid is 3. So 3 square is greater than mid. So we will make j is equals to mid. So 9 is greater than x. So we will make mid j is equals to mid minus 1. So j will come up to here. I is here, j is here, means value of j is less than value of x. We will write a condition while j is less than or equal to I. If this condition, we'll make a condition I is less than or equal to j. If this condition get violated, we will return the value of j. Means return j. J की value is 2. So let's code. After understanding the approach, first of all, we will have to make integer I, which is start from 1, and integer j, which will show the last, which will point to the last, means x. So we'll have to make a while loop which will be only true for I less than or equals to j. If j becomes smaller than I, the loop will break. So let's make a mid. And let's square it. So sq is equals to mid into mid. So check the square. If sq is greater than x, if the square is greater than the number, then j is equals to mid minus 1, because it is not useful to check for the values which is greater than x. Then else part, if sq is less than x, then I is equals to mid plus 1. Else we will have to return the mid value, means square is equals to the x value. So the mid will point that sq. So we will have to return the mid. If this while loop break, so if this while loop break means j value is less than I value, so we will have to return the j value. So as we have written the code, let's run it. Test cases accepted, submitted. As this is given runtime error because of overflow. So we will have to make long instead of it. As square contains the value greater than mid, so we will have to make it 2 times long. Let's submit the code. Successfully submitted. Thank you.